Welcome to our channel. Today we'll reveal a secret recipe that will help your garden thrive like never before. We'll show you how to make a powerful mixture that improves soil health and allows your plants to grow stronger and healthier. This special blend increases your soil's water holding capacity and nutrient retention, making your garden more resilient and fertile. Stay tuned to learn how you can easily make this incredible mixture at home and give your plants the best possible start. Let's get started. We're going to make Jadam Liquid Fertilizer. Jadam Liquid Fertilizer is an organic fertilizer produced by fermenting natural materials. It is a key component of Jadam, a South Korean natural farming method that focuses on creating healthy soil ecosystems. Jadam stands for Joyful Agriculture with Microorganisms. This is our second recipe for the fertilizer. Check out our channel for more potent fertilizers. To create this magical liquid fertilizer in a 5-gallon bucket, you will need 3 main ingredients. 10 liters of non-chlorinated water. Ideally, use rainwater or draw water from a river. If you only have access to tap water, let it sit for 24 hours to allow the chlorine to escape. 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram of fresh plant material such as weeds or herbs, and 4.4 pounds, 2 kilograms of fresh animal manure derived from cows, horses, or poultry. It is critical to gather these materials in sufficient quantities before beginning the process. The process of producing liquid fertilizer consists of simple steps that prioritize natural decomposition and fermentation. Begin by putting these materials in a 5-gallon bucket and filling it with water, leaving some space at the top. Stir the mixture well to ensure even distribution. Cover the bucket loosely to allow air circulation, then place it in a warm, sunny location to ferment. Stir the mixture daily to aid in the fermentation process, which usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. Fresh manure is unsuitable for immediate use. It may contain weed seeds, pests, and high levels of ammonia, which can be toxic to plants. That is why we must allow it to compost or age for at least 7 days. This entails allowing the manure to decompose over time, during which harmful substances degrade and beneficial nutrients become more available. We let the mixture sit for 14 days. Now strain the liquid to remove any solid particles, yielding nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. After straining, dilute the liquid fertilizer with water at a 1:10 ratio before applying it to your plants. This diluted fertilizer can be applied directly to the soil around your plants or as a foliar spray. To ensure compatibility, test the diluted fertilizer on a small area of your plants before applying it more widely. To preserve the efficacy of any leftover liquid fertilizer, store it in sealed containers in a cool, dark place. Proper storage keeps the fertilizer viable for several months, allowing you to apply it as needed throughout the growing season. I really hope you enjoyed this video.